Lady KinWitch here. Just wanted to show you our pineapple guava bush. It's starting to produce flowers and lots and lots of buds. There's one there. The pineapple guava has lots of medicinal properties to it. I'm not a doctor or anything, so you'll have to look that up online. It is possible that it can control your diabetes and may even reduce your cholesterol. Oh, there's another one right there. So we're just going to take a look at this bush and see how it's coming along. And I want to skirt over here right quick and show you my hibiscus. Now the hibiscus is a very wonderful plant. It has it's really great for making tea, your hibiscus tea. What I do is I put the buds, not the buds, I'm sorry, the flowers after they have been spent. I just take them off like this, and I will dry those and chop them up and make tea out of them. Now I also will put maybe some mint in there, spearmint, peppermint, that sort of thing, and sometimes I will put turmeric in it, turmeric leaves. So you can do many things with the hibiscus. And the hibiscus also has lots of municipal benefits. It may be lowering your blood pressure, if it could be possibly do that. It is rich in vitamin C, and it can possibly aid in your digestion. So coming over here, we have our turmeric. And like I said before, with the hibiscus, sometimes I put turmeric in my tea. And it's also a very wonderful drink by itself. It has lots of medicinal properties to it. It can possibly bring down your swelling and that sort of thing, if you have any in your legs or anything like that. What I do with my turmeric is sometimes I'll just take a leaf and I will cut it up and make tea out of it. Other times I will dry it and make tea that way. It's very refreshing, very delicious, and with my and it's also wonderful with the hibiscus and the mint, and you won't find a better drink than that. So I just wanted y'all to see my turmeric, and I want y'all to have a very blessed day.